Do you want to earn $900 in a day? You do not have to sell anything. You do not need to refer your friends. You don't need social media followers to share a link, and you don't need to answer surveys. You can earn money just by posting articles, but the best part is, you do not need to write your own articles. Yes, that is right. You can earn money while basically doing nothing. If you want to do that, then this video is for you. This is 100% free and available worldwide, meaning anyone from anywhere can do this method. You can earn up to $900 in a day if you follow the step-by-step process of how you can make money by using this website. So, what are you waiting for? Let's go! Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and smash the notification bell to be aware of the new videos that we will be posting on our channel about easy ways to make money online. You can also comment down below if you have any questions or insights from watching this video. Sounds good? Then let's get started. The website that we are about to show you is called clearvoice.com. Clearvoice.com is a website where companies hire freelancers to grow their brand through managing blog posts and articles. The mission of Clearvoice is to help brands create better content because they believe helping people better engage with one another is a path to creating a better world. When we scroll down below, we can see company success stories in using this platform. Many companies such as Cisco, Freshline, and Outrigger had success in using this platform and have expanded their brand ever since. Now we know that this website is 100% legit. Clearvoice houses tons of freelancers that can be assigned to different roles such as content strategists, writers, editors, designers, and videographers. These freelancers create contents like blog posts and articles, ebooks and guides, website pages, case studies, and social posts. And they create these kinds of posts from categories such as advertising and marketing, finance, healthcare, software and tech, retail, and more. If we hover on the Talent Network tab and click on any of these roles available, we can see profiles of people that are registered and working on this website. You can see that these are the people who are making money by using this website and posting blog posts and articles. To learn more on what articles these people post daily, we can view their profiles. You can just choose anyone here and look at their profile. For this person, if you scroll down on his page, you can look and read the articles that he has posted. You can see that he has already published a lot of articles in different categories and earned money just by posting these articles. And you can do it too! You can post articles on this website and earn money while doing it. But first, you need to register as a freelancer in Clearvoice. To do this is a very easy step and the first step for you to earn money online. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. To start working as a freelancer, we scroll down to the bottom of the page and we can see that there is an option for freelancers. You can click this and it will redirect you to this page. You just need to put in your first name and last name and click the Get Started button. Then it will give you an option to sign up using your email, or you can connect your Twitter or Google account for easier access. For this video, we will sign up with our email. You only need to put your email address and your password, and then you can click the sign up button, verify your email address, and voila! You already have an account. Easy, right? You can then log in using your newly created account and start to earn money. Once you log in, you can see your profile. This page shows your information such as your name, categories that you specialize in, the content types that you do, location, languages that you speak, and any publications that you have published. You can also link your social media accounts such as Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn on the upper left portion of your profile. If you are having trouble completing your profile, you can take inspiration from other people's profiles and see how they set up their own. Once done setting up, then we can start. So how do we post articles? On the lower right part of your profile, you can see an Add Content button. You can click this, then you can either get the link of the article you want to publish or you can upload the file. So the next question is, how do you make your own articles? The best thing here is you do not need to compose or write your own articles. The next website that I'll be showing you will have tons of free, high-quality articles and blog posts that you can just copy and paste to Clear Voice to earn money. The second website we will show you is killerplrarticles.com. This website is where we will get our articles to post on Clear Voice. Killer PLR Articles is a website that has unlimited access to around 1 million high-quality articles, and it is 100% free. You do not need to pay a huge amount for membership fee to access all the articles available on this website. All you have to do is click this button, scroll down, and create your free lifetime account below. You only need to put your full name, email address, and password. After you have done putting those information, you can now click Grant Free Access Now to be granted access to around 1 million articles. On this website, you can find different categories for articles such as arts and entertainment, food and beverages, business and economy, and many more. You just pick any category or any subcategories that you want, and now you can see thousands of articles related to the categories that you chose. You can also see how many words the articles have. Now imagine if you are the one writing these articles. It will take you hours and hours of researching and typing just to finish one. With this method, not only we do save time when writing articles, but we can also choose any categories of the articles that we want that are high quality and 100% free. We can now repost and re-upload any articles from this website back to Clear Voice. To do that, we first find an article that we want to post. Now that we have found one, we can then go back to Clear Voice and add new content. After we click the Add Content button on the lower right, we then paste the URL of the chosen article and add it. We then select the category for our article. In our case, it is sports and fitness. Then you choose the primary role for this. We choose as a writer. Then we select a content type. It can be either a blog post or an article. We can publish this article. For this section, you should choose Select Published Content so that people can view your articles publicly, and lastly, you can add a short description for your article. And now you can publish this article. If you scroll down to your profile, you can now see the article that you published. You can keep doing this as many times as you want, and when people read your article, you get paid. The more articles you publish, the more money you can earn. So what are you waiting for? This is an easy way of making money without breaking a sweat. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you on the next video.